Good morning, student. Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Letra Z School, Jhansi. Students, we are continuing with 6th chapter of Business Studies of class 11th, and today we are going to discuss causes for environmental pollution and basic types and need to control over pollution. So, starting with air pollution. Air pollution refers to injection of harmful substance in the atmosphere which results in lowering the quality of air we breathe in. Air pollution is a serious problem for the entire world as it has created a hole in the ozone layer of atmosphere. Smoke, chemicals emitted by factories, vehicles are the main causes of air pollution. Now comes water pollution. Water pollution refers to dumping of chemicals and other harmful waste in river lakes. Generally, the factories located near rivers, streams dump their waste into rivers, lake streams, etc., which cause pollution of water and it kills oxygen present in water and it becomes very dangerous for aquatic animal to survive in water. Third is land pollution. Land pollution refers to dumping of toxic waste in the land which affects the fertility of land and make it unfit for agriculture. There are two aspects of land pollution. One is how to improve the quality of land which is already get damaged, and second is how to check further contamination of land. Now comes need to control pollution. To ensure safety, economic losses, to maintain natural beauty or aesthetic appeal, to ensure healthy life, and to lead a comfortable life. Now, ensure safety. Due to environmental pollution and smoke, the visibility is reducing. Due to poor visibility, there are more chances of accidents of automobiles on highways and bypasses. Economic losses. Air pollution is blackening the building. Water pollution is affecting the sea life, and land pollution is affecting the fertility of land. All these are bringing heavy economic losses for the countries. Third is to maintain the natural beauty. The pollution is having indirect impact on the natural beauty. The natural beauty consists of mountains, rivers, trees, land, etc. The pollution is affecting all these. Now comes to ensure healthy life. Pollution control is just to ensure healthy life of people. Pollution is the root cause of many diseases. Air pollution is the main cause of heart and lung diseases and cancer. Water pollution is the cause of liver problems and problems of kidney. Pollution control is must to keep a check on these diseases. Otherwise, you will be unfit and live a ill life. Now the last is to lead a comfortable life full of luxuries, comfort, enjoyments. Pollution is creating nuisance and inconvenience in every aspect of life. Polluted river becomes unfit for swimming or fishing. Air pollution causes eye irritation, coughing, breathing, asthma problems. Pollution control is required to reduce the inconvenience so that people can lead a comfortable and healthy life. Now, what is the role of business in environmental protection? Making use of eco-friendly techniques of production, recycling industrial waste, treating the waste through technology before discharging them into the river, participating in eco-friendly activities such as plantation, cleaning rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. Making use of eco-marks by producing eco-friendly products, abiding by the bylaws and policies, laws framed by the governments, spreading the awareness among the general public and masses regarding the importance of eco-friendly techniques, methods, and products. So these are the role of every business in environmental protection. Managers should be aware of these roles and they have to discharge them properly as they can. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.